Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you are fine over there. Today we will discuss some of the important question answers from the chapter 2, Forms of Business Organization. Here in this chapter, we have to study the various forms of business organization and its main features, merits and limitations also. What are the different forms of business organizations? Sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business, partnership, cooperative societies, and joint stock company. Let's discuss the question answers. The first one is, name the form of business organization which is easiest in formation and closure. Here in this question, you can see the feature easiest in formation and closure. This statement is related to sole proprietorship. And the second question is, a sole proprietorship has unlimited liability. What does it imply? Unlimited liability of a sole proprietorship implies that its owner is personally responsible for paying business debts if these debts cannot be paid by the business. And the next question is, name the type of partnership which is formed to undertake a specified project or venture. You know that partnership can be mainly divided into two types, on the basis of duration and on the basis of liability. On the basis of duration, partnership again classified into two types, particular partnership and partnership at will. And here in this question, this statement is related to particular partnership. And the next question is, Asim is an employee of a partnership firm. However, he claims before others that he is a partner of the firm. What type of partner will he be treated as if he borrows funds from others in the name of the firm? You know that partners are mainly divided into 6 categories: active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, and partner by holding out. And here in this question, this feature is related to partner by estoppel. And the next question is, what is the nature of liability of a minor partner? Liability of a minor partner is limited to the extent of capital contributed by him to the firm. And the next question is, name the document which contains partnership agreement. Here the answer is partnership deed. What is partnership deed? The written agreement which specifies the terms and conditions that govern the partnership is called partnership deed. And the next question is, mention the form of business organization which tends to receive government assistance. Here this statement is related to cooperative society. And the next question is, the one-man control is best in the world if that man is big enough to manage everything. Mention the form of business organization with which this statement is related and explain its two main features. Here in this question, first of all you have to identify the form of business organization. Then you have to explain any two features. Here the form of business organization is sole proprietorship and its main features are single ownership, no separate legal entity, management and control, unlimited liability, capital, formation and continuity. Here in this question, you have to study the features in detail. The next question is, identify the form of business organization in which decisions are made by members based on the principle one man, one vote, and explain any 4 of its merits. Here, in this question, the form of business organization is cooperative society and its main merits are equality in voting rights, limited liability, continued existence, economical operations, government assistance, easy formation and equitable distribution of profit. Here you have to study the merits in detail. And the next question is, a company is an artificial person. How? Here in this question you can see the most important feature of joint stock company. What is that? A joint stock company is an artificial person. How is it possible? A company is a creation of law and it exists independent of its members. Like natural persons, a company can own property, incur debts, borrow money, enter into contracts, etc. But unlike them, it cannot breathe, eat, run, and so on. Therefore, it is called an artificial person. And the next question is, name the document which contains rules and regulations concerning internal management of a company. This question is coming from Chapter 7, Formation of a Company. And here the answer is Articles of Association. And the next question is, sole proprietorship is best form of business organization as it involves control by a single person, provided that single person is competent enough to manage everything. In the light of this statement, explain any three merits of sole proprietorship. Here, you have to explain the merits of sole proprietorship. The main merits of sole proprietorship are quick decision making, confidentiality of information, direct incentive, sense of accomplishment, ease of formation and closure. Study the merits in detail. Like these questions, you can expect so many important questions based on the different forms of business organization. So, we have to study the different forms of business organization and its main features, merits and limitations also. So students, I hope all of you understood the questions clearly. And please note that the notes of the lesson and test paper also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.